Welcome back guys to this new video text quest. Today we're going to be diving into how to create an ebook and sell it directly here into Amazon. So to get started, what you want to do is to of course check out and planning your ebook. So the first step in creating an ebook is planning. Decide on a topic that interests you and how to market potential. Outline the main points and chapters of your book to create a structured flow and information. So once you have brainstorming the outlining, it is really important to write your ebook. Now we can use a writing tool like the Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Scrivener to write your ebook. I'm going to open a new tab and go for Google Docs. Now Google Docs is an amazing place where you can just create stuff totally for free. So what I can do is to start by adding my script here, my drafts in here. So I can go for a blank document. So into my blank document, I'm just going to focus into my title of my ebook, the introduction, and the chapters. Now if you have any issue there, what you can do is to use Copilot. Inside Copilot, what you can do is to of course to ask for questions that can be helping you to get started with the first of the ebook. So let's say for example, help me create an ebook. I want to add all the info that needed to be added on an ebook. Now that I have this information, what I can do now is to, of course, writing my ebook. So I use writing tools after I, of course, finish doing this process. I format my ebook. So to proper formatting is crucial for a professional looking ebook. You want to ensure the text is well organized. The very best tool that can be helping you to create an ebook and to sell into Amazon is the actual Amazon Kindle Create. Now the Amazon Kindle Create is an application that you can download totally for free, and of course this is only available for Windows unfortunately, so you want to make sure that you have access to a Windows account in order to get started though. Here into the Kindle Create, what you can do is to create your new Kindle. I'm going to create new and go for select. Now inside here we can of course choose adjustable, comics, or a print replica. I'm going to choose the option that says adjustable and go for continue. Now here what you want to do is to import the title of your ebook, which in this case is this one, the name of the author, and the editor. In this case I'm going to just use myself and go for select an archive.doc or RTF. If I go here for select the element here, it's going to be asking me to import the information though. So in here I choose a document, of course. In this case what you can do is to go here for file, go for download, and choose a docx file. So once you choose this file, I'm going to go for open and check out how automatically all of these elements should be optimized so that the actual Kindle Create can know what exactly you're actually doing here directly into Kindle Create. So I'm going to go for continue, first steps, and accept selection. So as you can see here, it's the selection element. So if I select, for example, this new section, what I can do is to change this for a title or a subtitle of the channel. So as you can see here, the subtitle, once upon a time, his parents, blah, 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 blah. And what I can do is to add much more elements. So for example, I can choose this element and go for a self-header. I select this now, go for poem. Now it's time to upload my Kindle directly into Kindle Element. I'm going to head into kdp.amazon.com. Here into kdp.amazon.com, what you can do is to submit as much Kindle's ebook as you wanted to, and you can check out how many money you have earned so far. Now here, what you wanted to do, of course, is to make sure that you have an actual bookshelf. A bookshelf can be helping you to see what are the actual sellings you have done so far, how many orders you've done so far, the royalties estimator, and how many people check out your actual elements though. So I'm going to go here into the bookshelf and I'm going to hit now into the element that says create. I can create, of course, my book. In this case, I'm going to go for a Kindle ebook. Inside the create a Kindle ebook, I'm going to go and choose the language, the booking title, the subtitle, if this is part of a series, the edition number, the author, contributors, and the description. Now if you have a publishing right, you can just enable this, the primary audience and the primary marketplace. Choose a right category. It's going to be really important to choose the right categories in order to appeal into the Amazon store. And lastly, choose the right keywords in order to continue. If you wanted to pre-order this element, what you can do is to choose the element that says I am ready to release my book now, or to make my Kindle ebook available for pre-order, let's say at the end of the year. Now what you can do is to import your Kindle ebook. and check out how it actually is going to be looking on the content. So if I go into the keyboard in the content, what you can do to check out how it actually is going to be looking your element. So what you can do is to set up your Kindle. So I have the ebook content, and then later on what I can do is to edit the pricing here. So here what I can do is to choose if this one is going to be for worldwide, if it's going to be individual territories, and which is my primary marketplace. And you should see now that your ebook that you have just created should be appearing at the end here. So as you can see, your ebook should be element, of course, added here into Amazon Prime. It's going to be a really easy element. It's actually really simple to do this process. So guys, just in case you have any question, you can leave a link down below in the description so you can start creating much more elements here into Amazon. It's going to be really important, guys, that you have created a Kindle Create. Try to add as much information as you can directly into your draft so you can then convert it directly inside a Kindle Create. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.